and welcome to Miss Chef Cooking Show. This is the place where simple ingredients come together to create delicious, comforting meals you can enjoy anytime. Here we focus on easy recipes, beautiful cooking moments, and food that truly satisfies. Whether you are cooking for yourself, your family, or your loved ones, you are in the right kitchen. Today's recipe is special, so let's get started together. Welcome to today's cooking adventure. Let's start with our fresh ingredients.
Hey everyone, welcome back. First, let's wash our hands. Use warm water and soap, scrubbing for at least 20 seconds. Now we're ready to cook.
And there you have it, our delicious recipe is ready. Thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen today. I hope this inspires you to try something new and enjoy every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty meals. Until next time, keep cooking, keep creating, and I'll see you soon on Miss Chef Cooking Show. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.